Hi there, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I will show you to make a digital signature on your computer and add it to a Word document. So before starting, don't forget to subscribe YouTube channel and put a thumb up if you like this video. So guys, this tutorial is for Android phone and iPhone because you can find this app on your Google Play Store. So let's get started with this tutorial. Start your App Store and type Scanner app. You can see a lot of apps on this page, but this one is very good because you will see at the end of this video the quality is very impressive about the digital signature. This one is free for a few days. You can pay for it only for deleting the ad. So after downloading it, you can prepare a white sheet of paper and make your signature. Take your phone and take a picture on this signature. You will see your signature will be converted on a digital version, and you will see the quality is very good. You can save it on different formats. You can use the PDF, the JPEG, and you can send it directly by mail on your Instagram, etc. For my case, I will switch on my computer, so I will send it to my computer with my mail address. I will switch on my computer and I received my email. I will save my digital signature on my computer in order to use it for my Word document. And then if you have a cover letter or a Word document, you can insert your picture, browse in your files and add it. You can click on wrap text. In front of the text you can resize your picture and you will see the quality is very good for your document. I think it's better than a printer. So that's it for this tutorial, guys. I hope this one was helpful for everyone. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, put a thumb up, and see you next time, guys.